I am Dr. Nikita Agrawal, and the topic which I am going to present is adaptation of Shakespeare's play in Bollywood movies. Now we will discuss what is adaptation. Actually, the word adaptation has come from Latin root adaptationum, which means to adapt, to alter, and to make suitable. So, by this way, adaptation is a process by which a work of literature is made suitable to another medium. It is a transfer of a literary work from one medium to another. Adaptation is a multifaceted process by which we can incorporate a literary work in various types of medium, just like video games, paintings, television series, and movies also. There are various types of adaptation, but we are talking about cinematic adaptation. So there are three main kinds of cinematic adaptations. One is literal, second is traditional, and third is radical. In literal adaptation, the director remains close to the original text as much as possible. We can take example of BBC production of Shakespeare's plays. They are true to the original text and the director doesn't take liberties. Second is traditional. In this type of adaptation, the overall persona of the text is maintained, but the director tries to make certain adjustments with visual representations. Third is radical type of adaptation, and this is very popular. In this type of adaptation, the director is free to relocate the story in terms of time and setting. He reinterprets the story. We take the example of Bollywood movies. They are radical adaptation of Shakespeare's plays, and the director had taken liberties in producing such movies. These are the elements of adaptation. When a book is converted in the form of movie, these elements are taken into consideration. One is theme, second plot, third characters, four action, five dialogues, six symbols. The three elements of the beginning, theme, plot, and characters, are very important to be paid attention, because when a book is converted in the form of a story, these elements remain same. The director can reinterpret them and represent them, but he tries to remain close to them because these elements keep the essence of the story alive. William Shakespeare is a great playwright of the world, and his plays have been adapted in various movies all over the world. His plays have given many concepts of movies, just like twins separated at birth, roles of clowns, cross-dressing scenes. So many of his comedies are adapted in the form of Bollywood movies, and they became very popular. Here I named some of the movies, just like Taming of the Shrew, which was adapted as Hathli Dulhan, Twelfth Night as Bhool Bhulaiya, The Merchant of Venice as Jalim Saudagar. It was named as Merchant of Venice also. The Comedy of Errors was adapted as Do Duni Char. Again it was adapted as Angur, and it became very popular at that time. And A Midsummer Night's Dream at 10 ml Love. When you watch these movies, you find that there are quite similarities of Shakespeare's comedy. So you can understand the basic concepts of Shakespeare's comedy while watching these movies. Here we can see the pic of these movies, and you find that it is clearly mentioned that these movies are based on Shakespeare's play. Shakespeare's tragedies are very popular, and the elements of Shakespeare's tragedies are very important to discuss. In Bollywood, there are various movies which are based on Shakespeare's tragedies. So we will discuss these movies one by one. I have given name of some of the important movies which are based on Shakespeare's tragedies. Romeo and Juliet was adapted as Ek Duje Ke Liye. It was again adapted as Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, and it was also a blockbuster hit movie of that time. It was adapted as Ishq Jade in 2012, and a recent adaptation of Romeo and Juliet is Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela. Hamlet was adapted as Khoon-e-Nahak in 1928. It was adapted as Hamlet in 1954 by Kishore Sahu. And the recent adaptation of Hamlet is Heather, which was directed by Vishal Bharadwaj. He made the adaptation of Shakespeare's tragedies world famous. He adapted to another tragedies of Shakespeare, one as Othello as Omkara and Macbeth as Macbeth. In this slide, you can see the pic of these movies and the books on which these movies are based. Finally, adaptation forwards the original work to a new generation with new meanings, interpretations, and connotations. The cinematic adaptation of Shakespeare's play offer a creative learning of these plays to young students.